Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Poco C3 and let me show you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all we have to enter the camera app. And now all you have to do is just tap on this 3 bars icon in the right upper corner. As you can see on the second bar we've got options connected to the timer, and now the timer is off, but we can set a 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick for example 10 seconds delay. Simply tap on the option you want to use, and as you can see from now on it is highlighted, so it means that it has been successfully applied. So we can go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button, and as you can see from now on this device will count down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, let's check another option, 3 bars icon, and check 3 seconds. Again, it is highlighted, so we can go back, and the same situation, but now it is counting down from 3. In order to turn it off, just tap on it and tap on this clock icon. Let's get back, and as you can see from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your Xiaomi Poco C3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.